Welcome to Leader, our new broker CRM designed to help you take your lead management and client communications to the next level. Work with leads, send email campaigns, track loan statuses, schedule tasks, and leverage marketing tools to grow your business. This video will give you a quick overview of its key features and how to navigate the system. Access to Leader is granted automatically along with your AIM credentials once you become an approved partner. To get started, navigate to aim.admortgage.com, enter your credentials, and click Login. Once logged in, simply use the top menu to click on the CRM/loyalty button and you are in. Loan processing is seamlessly integrated with the AIM Partner Portal. You can track loan statuses, conduct efficient client communication, and send 1003 links to borrowers. If you have loans with A&D Mortgage, the pipeline automatically syncs, simplifying loan tracking. Need to add a new loan? Just click Create, fill in the required details, and you're set. With Leader, you can capture and manage leads efficiently, tracking their progress over time. Organize leads by stages, follow up with your clients using emails, and complete tasks to keep your deals moving forward. You can also add new leads manually or import them from a CSV file, making it easy to stay on top of your pipeline. Launch personalized email campaigns, use saved templates, and track performance through detailed analytics to ensure your marketing is both effective and efficient. You can also set up automated reminders for your clients, such as loan anniversaries, birthdays, major holidays, to help you stay engaged and maintain strong relationships. A built-in calendar and task manager help you stay organized. You can increase lead conversion by opening and completing tasks on time. You can set tasks for leads, loans, companies, and contacts, whether one-time or reoccurring. You'll receive reminders to help you complete tasks on time, and the calendar view makes it convenient to plan your schedule. The companies section helps you store all the information about the businesses you work with, while the contact section holds the details for individual clients or partners. In both sections, you can create new entries or import data from CSV files for effective setup and organization. Without leaving the CRM, you can access the Quick Pricer to price a loan quickly even while you are speaking with a client on the phone, review required documents with the program checklists, and track the balance of your loyalty points. Get started with Leader today and take your business to the next level.